How to install the interpreter of Lua in Windows 10. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Markenji. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install interpreter of the Lua. First, download. Now, I will choose this. Just follow my instruction. Get a binary. And now we have to click the download. You can choose what your Windows. That's 3.13 to 32 or 64. Cause my laptop using the Win64, I will use this. Now we have to waiting the download process. Okay, the download is already done. Okay, we cut this and then we go to the C, and I will go to the place the call latihan, and I will extract here. Okay, let's see again. Okay, this is the place, the Lua for China. Okay, we just copy this and we go to the CMD, call CD and copy that, and after that we call Lua for 54, and the Lua 54 are ready. Now we have to try to print something like the hello world, and see that if this works, they will print the hello world. If doesn't, that the Lua doesn't work. Let's see. I think the Lua is already worked. You can now write your code in your command prompt, but I would suggest you to configure the Lua with the Visual Studio Code. That's make your code easily to manage. In the next video, I will show you how to configure between the Lua and Visual Studio Code. Okay, thank you for your attention, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. That will help me and support me. Okay, that's for that. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.